guys doing? Hey, how are you? Hey, how are you guys? You guys don't speak?
You guys don't talk or what's up?
Well, I'm trying to talk to you guys. If you guys are going to take pictures, can you guys back off the premises? Excuse me. Is that okay to ask you guys to back off the premises? Okay. Is that okay? Excuse me, guys?
Just call it in.
Yeah, I guess I have to. Hey, Bob, I got two fellas over here taking pictures, and I don't know what it's for. I keep asking them because they step off the property, but they won't. They won't say anything. They won't communicate with me. Okay. Okay. Hey, I have two trespassers.
Where?
5820 Martin Road.
I'm sorry, 5820. What's the name of the street?
Martin Road.
How do you spell it?
MARTIN. Martin.
Okay. And they're trespassing on your property?
Yeah. I keep trying to speak to them, but they won't speak to me. They just keep taking pictures.
What's your name?
Tremaine Dean. Hey, I have two trespassers here. 5820 Martin Road.
What's the name of the business?
Clean Tech Environmental.
Clean Tech Environmental.
Yeah.
And they're on the premise right now?
Yeah, I keep asking them could they step off, but they won't. They just keep standing here taking pictures.
Okay. Are they inside your fence line or are they on the sidewalk or are they on the street?
They're right here in the parking lot.
Are you security?
No, I'm actually the lead right now.
Like, so you're like manager?
Yeah.
And you asked them to leave and they refused?
Yeah. All they keep doing is just taking pictures.
What's your name? Your name?
Yeah. The phone number is 951.
I'm sorry, one quick second. It's just we got an interview coming up.
Hey, Mom!
Yeah. One looks like he may be Hispanic. Another one is a white man. He's probably in his 50s. glasses.
Okay, how about we'll start with the Hispanic male, Hispanic, how old is he?
I would say probably around 45-ish. With
Okay, and what's he wearing?
a beard and some blue pants. And it looks like a flannel. They're both
Wearing a flannel shirt and blue pants?
yeah, with a black hat.
Black hat.
Yes.
Okay, and how about the male weight? He's wearing what?
He has like blue jeans on, black hat, and a flannel too. All right, thank you. What you gonna do?
Back up.
What you gonna do?
Get the fuck away from me.
What you gonna do?
Fuck away from
What
me.
you
I'm
gonna
telling
do?
you to get back.
What you
6
gonna
feet,
do?
bro.
I don't
6
care.
feet.
And I'm
Fuck
coughing
back.
there. No, what you gonna do?
Get the fuck back.
No. Like, what are you gonna do?
You got him, right?
What are you gonna do? Yeah, you got him. Now you can talk. Bro, can you stop shining that in my face? Like, come on, man.
You
Stop
can
being
leave,
disrespectful. Can you stop shining that in my face? Like, why? Why do you have to shine it over here? Shine it over there. Like, stop shining it in my face, bro.
You're part of my story right now.
I don't care about your story.
And I don't care about your feelings about the life.
Okay, bro.
Feelings. Calling the cops.
Bro,
Bro,
shut up. You
crybaby
can barely start
911
talking
call.
now. You just barely started talking.
False 911 call.
Bro,
Bro, I ain't your bro.
man,
Man.
you wouldn't be talking like this normally. I guarantee you want to talk to me like that. And don't you have to have my consent to take a picture
Nope.
of me? You don't?
Nope.
If you're questioning it, you must not know the law, man.
Oh, now you guys can talk.
Who said we couldn't talk? What makes you think we have to answer your questions, man? You're
You're
nobody
answering
of
now.
authority.
You're answering now, aren't
You're
you?
nobody of authority, man.
You're answering
You're
now.
demanding answers and you didn't get shit, did you?
Crybaby
Oh, crybaby.
call. False, fake 911 call for what?
All right.
We call cops for a cop caller? Because somebody's taking pictures?
Yeah.
You
Wow.
care about your rights or
Yep,
what?
here we go.
Excuse me, sir.
Daddy's here.
Yeah.
He ain't gonna do shit, man.
Look at him.
He's gonna tell you to leave them alone and go back to work.
Yeah, well, if he tells me that, that'll be fine. How about that?
Oh, well, you just wasted their time, man. You
We
just
just told
wasted
you the same
taxpayers'
thing.
money,
All right,
man.
All right. Shut
You're
up.
a taxpayer, right?
Are you?
Are you a taxpayer or not? You
ain't
just
gonna
wasted
answer
our
shit
money,
you gotta
man.
tell me.
You just wasted our money, dude.
I hope I
Calling these
wasted
cowards
yours.
out here to
You
fucking
said
to
cowards?
come and harass us because
They're
we're not
cowards?
even on private property.
They're cowards?
If you knew anything about the, yeah, hell yeah, they're cowards, man.
Why do you feel like they're cowards?
Whoa. Oh, okay, so you've lived a happy life your whole life and never been harassed by the cops? Nobody's ever called the cops on you before? And you felt like you shouldn't have been called the cops on? You ever been in a situation like that? All right, man. All right, good. There you go, man.
I know, right? There goes my backup.
Yeah, there goes your backup,
See,
man.
hopefully
There is no
Daddy helps
backup.
me.
This is the American freedom, man. We got
Hopefully Daddy
rights.
helps
Daddy
me.
won't help you.
Daddy won't help me?
We got rights to record, man. We got
So,
freedom in
okay.
America, man. Where you from?
Bro, like, if y'all was so tough, would y'all really talk to me if y'all would have called the police? If I was
That doesn't make any sense, man.
Okay, if we was to get into a, hypothetically, we got into a physical altercation, would you call the police on me?
You would.
Would you?
You would.
You
You
would.
just call the
Would
cops
you?
on us.
Would
You
you?
prove to us that you're a cop caller, man.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm just asking y'all a question. Would y'all?
So y'all call
That's
it-
for you
No,
to find
no,
out,
would
man.
you?
That's
Would
for
you?
you to find
Would
out.
you?
You want to go to jail? You want to put
That's what
yourself
I'm
in that
saying.
type of
That's what I'm
situation?
saying. You guys
Hey,
are
that's on
talking
you,
tough.
homie.
You talking tough, but if we got into a physical altercation.
Well, you're the one that
Hey,
called the
that's on you,
cops,
man.
so who's the
You wanna
cop
be saying
caller?
that. You want to be saying that.
Hey, man, you
Okay,
just
but
called the
y'all
cops
talking
on us
tough,
for
but
photography.
if I was to
You're
put
the
my
one
hand-
that called the cops.
I'd rather call the cops than put my hands on y'all.
Well,
'cause I
then
put
go
my hands on
away.
y'all,
Go
y'all-
cry to the cops then, man.
Yeah, go ahead.
Stay on your property, too.
Shut up.
No, you shut up,
So
man.
what you gonna do if I don't stay on the property?
Well, then you're going to
What
be
you
off
gonna
your
do?
property, and
What
you
you
should be
gonna do?
working, man.
So what are you gonna do?
What are you going to do?
What are you gonna do?
What are you gonna
'Cause
do?
You're not gonna keep talking to me like that. What are you gonna do?
What are you gonna do?
Because you big and tough now.
What are you gonna
But I
do?
bet if we got off the premises,
Let's go back inside.
Go back inside, man.
man, don't talk to me like that, bro. You don't even know who I am.
Jermaine, let's go back
Like,
inside.
I
man.
would-
Let's go back inside. Come on.
Like, you wouldn't sit here
Vamos
and be tough with your
Jermaine,
camera and
Jermaine,
stuff,
Jermaine, let's go,
but
let's
you
go.
keep
You're the
talking
one that
about
called the
it.
cops, crybaby. Cop caller.
It ain't worth it.
It ain't worth it because you a bitch, and you're not gonna keep talking to me like that. Both of y'all not gonna keep talking to me like that.
Hey, it's
On my
better
motherfucking mama, I'll beat both of y'all up.
Come on,
Oh,
man.
God.
Come on, man. Come on, we got things
That
to
sounds
do,
like a
man.
threat to me.
What?
That sounds like a threat.
Stop
pretty much
talking
a
that
threat.
tough
It
shit.
sounds like a threat. Sounds like a threat, tough guy.
It's all good, man. It's all good.
Yep. Go cry to the cops now.
Cry, baby.
Look at that. He just threatened to handle both of us, and now he's talking to the cops? What the hell? What kind of shit is
Hey,
that?
look at all those boys came out to hold him back. Trying to be calm.
Yeah, leave us alone. How about that? How about you leave us
You
alone?
go inside. Let your boys handle it.
This is the lead? This is
Yeah,
your
that's
lead?
not the lead.
Damn.
We got his first and last name too.
All right, be careful, guys.
All right, thanks, man. Hey, you have a good night. All right, thanks for upholding your oath. Appreciate you. Damn, you see that,
Get ready for
everybody?
that fool, man. Hey, it's Shorty Gonzalez.
Don't call me names, man.
Shorty,
You're insulting me. I
Shorty
don't know you.
Gonzalez?
it's the
Don't-
truth,
don't
man.
insult me.
It's the truth.
Hey, so what?
So what?
You're
Exactly.
sexual.
¿Por qué,
You're
por qué
sexual.
lloras?
Why you get
No, no te enojes, cabrón.
Don't talk to
Son
me. I don't know you,
palabras,
man. I don't
cabrón.
know you. So what?
Ve llore adentro.
Nah.
Ve llórale. Go call the cops again, because I called you a shorty, man.
I'm just,
Just what?
Just what?
I just want to know who you are, just in case. I have your face.
Oh yeah, we have masks on, but he has he has our face.
Oh yeah,
I know, right?
that's gonna cover.
He has our face.
That's gonna cover. Oh yeah,
Yeah.
that's gonna cover the whole thing.
Oh yeah, the whole thing.
Okay, I got yours too.
Yeah, that's fine. I don't care. I didn't do nothing. I didn't do nothing.
Don't
so
call me names. I get mad if somebody call me names.
I don't know. It's just. Am I insulting you? I'm not saying something.
I just said that's not an insult, man.
Okay,
That's
well,
the
to me
truth,
it
man.
is. To me
That's
it
the
is.
truth.
To
Just
me
like
it
if you
is.
call me gordo, I'm gonna
Oh,
say
well, you
yeah,
started.
I'm
You
fat.
started.
Yeah,
You started
so
calling
what?
me names, so well.
Yeah, you gotta accept that, man. If not, you get
I
mad
accept
and you
it.
start
I
crying
don't
about
care
it.
about that, but
Why
it's
cry about it?
If you don't care, then go inside.
No, why am I going to go inside? This is public
Get back to
property.
work.
No, it's private property,
No,
man. You got it
apparently
backwards.
To your lead, it's private property.
It's
I don't care.
that's private over there, bro.
You understand?
You don't understand. No, it's you that doesn't understand.
You don't understand, man. You're taking things from a private property.
Taking things.
Taking things.
Yeah,
Taking things.
Pictures, videos, whatever.
You're the only one taking things, man. What the hell?
You're covered anyway.
Yeah, so stop crying.
You don't cry.
Tú como el otro, pinches llorones. All day long, crying about it.
It's all right, Jermaine. Be calm. It's all good, bro.
You're in camera anyway.
Have a good night.
Dang. Horrible, huh? Horrible customer service
Clean
here.
Tech Environmental, huh?
Yeah, clean tech. All thug. Thug passion.
And that was a lead?
That was the lead.
And now he's laughing it off?
Yeah, he has to.
Yep.
He just got embarrassed. He's in shame. Shh. Did you just see what happened here? Oh, he's amazed too. He's in shock. He
I
can't
know.
even talk. Are
We're
you in
shocked.
shock, man? No? You don't speak in English? You speak in Spanish?
What would you think when the cops came and just left?
Oh, he don't answer questions.
Yeah, hey, it's cool.
You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to an attorney. If you cannot afford an attorney, one will be appointed
Isn't
to
it
you.
great
Do you
being in
understand those
America?
rights, sir? Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
Jack Stone Drainage Oil Service.